little more than 4 years ago, a venture called Mars One made a big splash. Its mission? To establish a permanent human settlement on Mars by 2025 and film it as a reality show, with people back home here on Earth tuning in to watch the space pioneers try to survive. They made a huge PR announcement asking people to apply to be on their spacefaring show. Tons of people sent in their submissions, hoping for their chance to be selected as an astronaut with the mission to colonize Mars. After applying, they became part of what they called the Mars One community, where they could earn points to help them get through to the next round in the selection process. But instead of earning points by passing physical fitness tests or spending time in zero gravity or learning how to grow food, they earned points by buying Mars One merchandise or donating to the mission. When some of the hopefuls discovered that, they realized something wasn't exactly right about the mission. And then, of course, there were the holes in the actual science. Some folks over at MIT looked into the mission and wrote up a whole report entitled Mars One and Done, as in those first settlers might go up there, but they will be dead very soon, and there will be no more settlers coming after them. One reason was because Mars One planned to feed the settlers from locally grown crops up on Mars, which would produce unsafe levels of oxygen, which would suffocate everyone, a technicality Mars One hadn't worked out yet. They also hadn't planned out all the equipment they'd need to have on the red planet before the settlers even got there. MIT wasn't the only institution to be skeptical of Mars One's plans either, or to point out how they didn't even have a plan for returning the astronauts to Earth. Essentially, the whole scientific community was skeptical. The fact that they were trying to get money from their supposed astronauts just confirmed that the whole thing was a scam. So it should come as no surprise that they've now gone bankrupt. Yep, a Redditor spotted the recent bankruptcy ruling, and now everyone knows the jig is up. As for the founders, they insist it wasn't a scam, and they still want to go to Mars. They just need to find some more funds somehow. As for me, I've never really wanted to go to Mars. I'm more of a moon girl because I like the nice ocean view, and the one from the moon looks out of this world. And that's my spin on it.